Today on Siege Off-Road, we're going to give our 2012 Raptor a custom look and a little bit more attitude. The factory fuel door cover on the Raptor gets the job done, but it can look a lot cooler. So today we're going to be installing this Billet Raptor fuel door on our 2012 F-150 Raptor. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to give your Raptor an aggressive look and a bit more character, this fuel door is a really good idea. It was made right here in the USA of billet aluminum with a texture black powder coat finish and a Brushed Raptor logo to make your truck look even more rugged, and the best part is it's super easy to install. Installing this fuel door cover might be the hardest thing you'll ever do to your Raptor. All you need is a small flathead screwdriver. Simply just open up the fuel door, locate this tab right here, get your small flathead screwdriver in there, and then pull the cover off. Grab the new fuel door cover and line up the tabs on the cover with these slots right here. Get it in the groove. Slide it on. Now it's secure, and you're done. Okay, so we got our Raptor fuel door cover on a Raptor. It's looking a lot better, way better than the boring stock cover. And as you see, it's really simple to install. All you need is a flathead screwdriver, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.